This is the Larynx model, which they also always use. Forgot to show you that. It's kind of a blow up with that other model. Same type of thing. You have the laryngeal preeminence, the thyroid cartilage, the cricoid cartilage, the hyaline cartilage. You flip these around. This is the epiglottis that comes down and protects the trachea. So when you swallow, taking food or liquid or spit, otherwise no saliva, it protects the trachea so you're not choking all the time. Down through the center, this is referred to as a voice box. The actual opening is the glottis. That's why they call this the epiglottis. And on each side of that opening is the vocal folds, and then further down the side is the vocal, what's called vestibular folds, which actually make up your ability to talk and make guttural noises and all sorts of things. Then you have a sequence of cartilages up here. This is the arytenoid, cuneiform, and the, what's the other one? Cribriform, cuneiform? That doesn't sound quite right.
I was going to say cricoid cartilage.
Okay.
Cuneiform,
Corniculate. Thank you. So you got the, yeah, so the arytenoid's the large one, then you have the cuneiform and caniculates. In here it's hard to see the caniculate structure because it is kind of hidden down in there. So that's usually not asked. You know what bone this is. It's the only bone that doesn't connect to another bone. Hyoid. So we know all that. But they'll use this model every single time. Usually they ask you about the epiglottis or the cartilage structure. And remember, when you're looking at this, the large portion on the anterior is thyroid, small portion is cricoid. When you look over here, this is the thyroid, and the huge portion is the cricoid, because it starts in the small anterior and it goes large posterior. So this is another one that you'll have to also go through. So let me set up these two. We only have two, unfortunately, histology slides, and they're fairly easy, so it shouldn't be too difficult. We have a lymph node, and we also have the valve. We have a valve inside the lymph vessel itself. So go ahead and get in your groups. I'll set this up, and John and I will come